Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell.
Hello everyone, we welcome you on OS Tech OS, your own technical channel for your technical news. This news is for those who are planning to buy a new 5G phone in 2022, and this phone is going to blow your mind. This is a Redmi Note 11 series, and there are three phones in this series: Redmi Note 11, Redmi Note 11 Pro, and Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Redmi Note series are going to come up with some claimed features like JBL symmetrical speaker setup with the Dolby Atmos support and the 120 Hz refresh rate of its Super AMOLED screen. The phone is supposed to have 108 megapixel primary camera, so we are going to see most power packed MI Redmi Note series phone yet. In this launch event, Redmi also planned to launch its Redmi Watch 2 and Redmi Smart Band Pro. So we are going to see some of musical event in this Note 11 series. Some leaks have shown that the phones will come with the Dimensity 810, Dimensity 920 and Dimensity 1200 5G chipsets. Redmi to feature its all major features in this phone, so you are going to see all the best features of Redmi in this new 11 series with the newest feature which we love to see in a mobile. Redmi to use Gorilla Glass Victus for security, and you are going to see a 120 watt fast charging in this phone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.